Hello, welcome to the PhD vlogs, and this is Pramod Dasani welcomes you to another tech review. What we are doing today on this beautiful channel. After a long time, I am putting this video. So, just to complete any YouTuber, you have to have the gadgets which are essential for the vlogging every day. The gadget should be compact and easily accessible, and it should be an less price, so that if you any damage to the component you can recover it. So just thinking about the good quality of a voice which is not getting over on this camera 750D internal mic. So we are having the Boya that we have ordered from Amazon. I will put the screenshot of this Boya lavalier microphone micro cavity BYM1. This is very good mic what we have got from the Amazon at 828 rupees. Then you just have to focus this due to highlight. It's not getting, so I will put the picture in the of the mic, and I will open this, unbox this. Unbox बोलने से अच्छा better way. I have used this mic 2-3 times, and the wire is too long, and superb quality as compared to the price range what they are giving for smartphone, camcorder, DSLR, audio recorder, PC, etc. BYM lavalier microphone micro cavity. There are various types of mics you can buy, omnidirectional, and uh, this is the omnidirectional, that you can record the 4 direction voice. There is single direction control is there, so you can record the one person at a time. In the movies you must have seen the dead cats and all that. Clip on mic for features includes the clip on mic for smartphone, DSLR, the camcorders and audio recorder, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condenser, is ideal for the video use. Low handling noise, includes the lapel kipple clip, LR44 battery. The small battery is inside that foam windscreen that we just call as dead cut, which reduces the noise in and around the ourself. Transducer, electric condenser, frequency range 65 Hz to 118 kilohertz. Signal noise is 74 dB, and some specification, and just it costs about what we have ordered from 828 rupees. Just we have got that from the Amazon, sorry. You can buy from anywhere, there is no, just unbox it. So what we have got inside the box is this small case, and there's a jack, 4mm jack, and just opening up this, nothing else, because I have fitted all the content, some user guidelines, and you can register it to feel the genuinity of the product. You can scan this QR codes to find the genuinity of the product, and it's basically a genuine product you can get on the Amazon. Probably but you have to check it out. I have removed everything. So the mic look like something like this, very long wire with an 3.5 mm jack what we have, and a clip which is hold the mic on to the t-shirt or shirt which you wear, and you can record easily. Beyond that, there is 2 modes inside this condenser, that is the camera mode and off smartphone. So when you are attaching it with the DSLR, you can just on it. You have to just put an battery which is provided inside this, and I have put the battery inside this, easily operable, and just you have to fix it over somewhere inside so that it will not be visible. And the condenser is very essential part of any mic. So a very long wire, you can talk at the distance of 10 meters also because of this wire. Just you are hearing the quality of the Canon 750D. So we are switching on and connecting this mic, so that we will hear the sound quality of this mic, and the sound quality check of 1 2 3. This is the voice check quality 1 of the Boya M1 what we have received from the Amazon, and just it's very low, so the voice quality is check, so we will put it above to check. And now the voice quality must have been improved in order to you will see the background noise is very less. As I will keep silence for 2 seconds, you can observe the noise cancellation is very good. Beyond this, if you are a basic YouTuber, you start YouTubing, you are starting making vlogs, so this is the mic. The video quality and audio quality matches, then your video enhance the quality, and it hits the lots of the people. So please like, share and subscribe our video, and do continue your blessings to this channel. And so we are going to review another one good product, that is we are buy it from the Amazon, that is Cosmic Byte keyboard, mechanical keyboard that we are going to receive. That is just not a promotional, it is just for a personal use. So please like and share and subscribe guys. Okay, bye bye. Take care. The next question will be the how to connect the Canon 750 or any DSLR with the Boya M1 mic. So it's very easy that we have installed the dead cat and the clip, and now we have installed the battery inside this. Lighting up somewhat. The light conditions are really bad. And just put it here and go to the manual mode now, and just check the settings what you have made. Auto, wind filter animator enable. Now just we have to switch on this so that it will record from the mic itself. Just checking out. Disabled snapshot. Okay, that's all good. Enable. So the now you can record it from the as we keep the mic away, still it's recording, but the noise level is very the recording is very from far. As it comes closer and the sound, it's very close. This must be the distance. The yellow marker should be enlightened, but not it should cross the yellow markers. So this is the setting of Canon 750D, what we are doing for the any video settings, and we have recorded it in 1080p 50 fps. So this is the ultimate use of this Boya M1 mic. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe guys.